Welcome to school
If you are not tired, me, I am tired.
Tired of what?
People come and see you. They say he that findeth a wife find a good thing. Since I married you, I've never seen any good thing.
You have to wait unto God now.
For more than 5 years.
The marriage is for better for worse. Why are you like this now?
No. If you are not tired, I'm tired. Poverty is not my calling, please.
Okay, what do you want us to do now?
I'm looking for a native doctor somewhere. I will go and do ritual. That's what I want to do now.
No, wait. You want to go and do ritual?
Everything. We have money now.
Plenty one.
Plenty money. We will leave this place. We'll go to Lekki. Drive Range Rover. Drive everything.
They spread my success. Leave them I want broadcaster. Dangote, Adenuga hotel for the dollar.
No verse. I beg, you know any
herbalist?
Yes.
Herbalist.
Anyway that will go, that will have money. Plenty one.
Oh, okay, you mean herbalist? Yeah, where you can do ritual. Okay. Don't worry. You know what? There's this man that I know. Baba Kalakuta. You know Baba Kalakuta? If you see that man can make you rich.
How can we get there?
Okay, see. If you go like this now, see my hand. You go by your left.
Okay.
Yeah? By your left like that, as I'm going now. You see one tree, mango tree.
Okay.
Yeah? You go under the mango tree like this. By the time you pass the mango tree, you see another street by your right. When you go by your...
Jesus is Lord! Wise one.
You are welcome
Thank you,
to
sir.
Katakata Shrine. I'm the Ezemo here. Speak.
Wise one. I am tired of poverty. I want to make money. I want to make plenty money. I'm tired of this poverty.
Enough.
Yes.
The God has already spoken to me before you reach here. Are you ready to pay the sacrifice to make work? Can you pay the sacrifice to get work?
I'm ready to do anything. We are ready to do anything.
Are you ready?
Mention
You know you can be prosecuted for anything.
You will use your husband for the ritual.
Jesus is
You
Lord!
will heal your husband.
Hey, my husband is...
What?
Where is your husband?
Jesus is Lord!
Is not my home, I'm just a passing.
School to Naja we dey,